Hello everyone, welcome to the Afro 101 channel. Today we're gonna learn how to Shoki. Nice, that beautiful dance that comes from Nigeria. You and I are gonna have fun doing this. I'm gonna keep it very simple. Hopefully you can follow along with me. Check this out. We're gonna break it down in 3 different steps. Each step gonna show you a different part of my body that's gonna explain exactly how you should move on that, okay? So you ready? Let's go for step 1. So step 1 is pretty easy. I'm gonna need you to lightly stomp on the spot, 1 foot after the other, side by side. Yes, exactly. You don't wanna take too much space doing this, but you wanna see that your body is shifting from one side to another as you're stomping on your legs. Exactly. Now, step 2, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use both arms and dive toward the ground in front of you. Exactly. As you're shoveling to the ground, you're gonna then come back up, making sure that your palms are facing the top. Yes, so you shovel down, come back up, shovel down, come back up. Of course, at the same time, you're stomping with your leg. Perfect. Okay, and then we're not done just yet. There's a little detail we want to add to it to make it even more saucy, bro, groovy, you know, more swag to it. What we're gonna do is making sure that we are throwing our ankle to the outside every time we're stomping. It's very light, very small, and you will see that your knee is also twisting a little bit as you're doing this. Now, are you ready to go on the music with me? Of course you are. Come on, let's go.
Oh yeah, Shoki, 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 everybody Shoki, 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 every person Shoki, 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 everybody there Shoki, Shoki, Shoki.